So here's one of our favorite things to do when it rains now, is to come out here and see how these things work. Back in the old days, you would have seen water like this running straight down this valley to the swale down there and then running off into the woods, and we'd lose it all. Now you can see we've got one swale going this way, one swale going this way, and we'll just take a little walk around here and you'll see that all this water that used to run off into the woods is staying here now, and it's going to be soaking into the ground. And on the berm side of this trench, we're going to have a lot of woody perennials planted, fruit and nut trees and shrubs, and there'll be a zone of really great moisture underneath them. So all of this water here we would have been losing, and now we're catching it, and it's going to be soaking into the ground and watering our fruit and nut trees and shrubs. It's really kind of fun, actually. It reminds me of being a little kid playing in rainstorms at my grandma's farm. Only this playing in the rain has a real purpose. So yeah, there you go. All this water would have been out of here. It's just as fast as you can imagine, going right down the valley, which is where we're going to go now. So you can actually see that instead of there being a stream speeding out of the valley, the other swale down here is catching what's left, which isn't a whole lot. And this is not a big rain. This is just kind of a little squall. And here you go. Here's the bottom part of it now. So there's a little running off that way and a little running off this way. But if we hadn't put this in here, all this water would be speeding right towards that corner and out into the swamp. So what we're doing here is not just about preventing erosion. It's actually about capturing water, redistributing it from the wettest areas to the driest areas, letting it soak in good. And yeah, look at this one here. We got a pile of water here. Okay? Again, all of this would have been zooming out of here, right down towards the corner of the field and out into the woods. You don't have to worry about the woods. There's a wetland back there doing a great job of watering the woods. We're just using the stuff that used to shoot down this hill, and now it's not shooting down the hill. Now it's staying here and soaking into the ground. So there you go. We'll keep you posted as to how it all continues to shape up. That's it for now.